Hey, how you doing? This is Ronald Mills from Vatland Honda. Today I'm working on a 2016 Honda CRV with the original OEM wipers. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the inserts. This only applies for if you have the original Honda blades. There's a tab in the back right here to squeeze to release the wipers. Or you go to the other side, push it up, pull it forward, release that tab, slide it down. Make sure you put it back to the windshield. Never leave it up, otherwise that could break the windshield. Then from the bottom of where the hook is, you're gonna pull on both sides and pull it forward. Separate the wires from the rubber. Then I'm gonna refer to as an insert. When installing it, see those two notches that's identical have to go on the top of the wiper inserts, and you determine the top by this bump. This bump stops it from going any further. So with the claws in, you put it in that way. You got to make sure, see how they're bowed? The bolt go to the windshield, so you have to make sure that they go like this in the line, just like that, and slide it back in the same way you had it out, from the bottom through these notches, through these two claws, two more here, all the way up to the top until it goes and gets stopped.